Wow, what do we got?
So we ordered the, I don't know what they call, but it's hot pot. So we have all kind of meat, and then we're gonna grill our own and eat. So what they come is a fat. I saw this on TV. You kind of go around it before you put your meat in there. So we ordered the mixed one, and the mixed one have seafood, beef, pork, and chicken. And we ordered the large one. They suggest large is usually for 4 people, but we figured we're gonna try the large one. We also ordered rice. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we,
I think Mai and I can finish off this large one for 4 people. It's unique, but I kept asking Mai, are you sure you want to cook? We went out to eat. But she's like, yep, she wants to do it.
so all this is just cook. When they're ready to eat, then you just pour and eat.
We are right on a busy road, so it's kind of loud. Oh, so we got an egg to cook too?
Yeah, so you put the egg. So you're gonna put the vegetable in here when they're hot.
Yeah, they had a beef set, they had a pork set, they had a seafood set, and then they had a mixed option. Like I said, we went with a mixed option to kind of try everything out.
And then yeah, a little bit, I will put the vegetable in there. So basically, you have it, this thing, and I have it, so just kind of turn it until they're cooked, and you just eat it.
We did not know we were going to eat here tonight, so we didn't bring microphones or anything, so this is just kind of on the fly, quick video to show you what we're eating tonight for dinner. We're actually flying home in a few days, so we'll be heading back to the snow and cold of Minnesota and Wisconsin.
So first time I have experience on this too, so it's not much. Yeah. So we come in here, we thought we were hungry, so we order a lot of stuff.
The dinner for 4.
And we think that all this is not enough, so we order rice too. So they come with the meat
And a beer.
veggies, and then so, but in a little bit when they are done cooking, they will put the veggie in there, and then we'll eat it. With chicken and noodles, mushroom. I don't know what this thing is, but a lot of veggie in here, and corn. Yeah, so you put in there, and then you basically eat and drink the broth. The fat, they always come with the fat, so you put the fat in there so your meat gets thick.
Oh, and they brought these sauces out before the meal and explained to us that dark red one there on the end is a really, really spicy one. The other ones are spicy to medium spicy. All right. Well, we'll check back in a little bit and see how it's going. We might be here a while. I might need another beer. Well, we've been cooking and eating, and got soup in there with vegetables. Just here watching Dad. That's the beer I usually drink. That's a big bottle.